Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Today we have to install these side skirts from Extreme Online Store. Their packaging is really nice. Then wrapped up in plastic and then wrapped again in some foam. So we got some carbon fiber all the way through the back. Matches up to their front splitter. Super easy install. Looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, maybe 7 bolts. Let's see. Oh, we got 7 mils. I'm gonna throw a jack on the back side just to get it up in the air a little bit. Help me out. All right, so we got a bunch of 7 mils and then a couple push-in tabs. Alright, let's get them side by side. Yep, looks like exact replicas. Carbon fiber one's a little bit lighter than the OEM one. Looks like these are plastic. Got the same exact mounting holes. Pushed on here first. That looks so much better. Carbon fiber, carbon fiber. And we're just gonna get that front bumper wrapped. Just got the driver's side done. Came out beautifully, just like the passenger side. 7 bolts, 2 push-in tabs, too easy. Extreme Online Store side skirts match up perfectly to their front splitter. The weave is exactly the same, and now it all ties in together perfectly. Man, I love that look. If you guys want that same look, head over to Extreme Online Store. Side skirts, I believe they're $4.99, and then the front splitter, depending on if you want the canards, there's 2 different prices. But go check them out, and Extreme Online Store, thank you for sponsoring today's video.